Good morning, everybody. In our previous, we are talking about the topic is networking device and protocols with internet and internet. Now, today we are going for the network topology. The main thing we discuss about this. What is topology? Topology, in the sense you can say, it is the way of connectivity. You can just like a physical appearance of network, how many type of networks topology comes in the existence working areas. So we can say the connecting different computers in a network is known as topology. It refers to the way, in the sense the sequence which the nodes of network are linked together physically. That means make a physical relation between the all machines in the network. So you have a generally the more advanced topologies are the star topology, ring topology, and bus topology. So these are available make a network in a physical appearance. The most simple topology is the bus topology. Bus topology comes in a single way, in a single wire, or it is the example of cable connection. Those you can provided by the cable operator, not a disconnection. This provided by the cable operator in your areas, in your mahallas. So it is the simple example of bus topology, and in this topology you see the junction box appear in the middle of the wire, and here you can connect the single wire and up to the two wire out, the one for the connection and second is the for next transmission channel. So bus topology are connected in the central cable, and this cable known as a bus. Transmission from any node travel length of bus in both direction. That means incoming or going as a wire. You see in the simple electricity wire, the electric no manner which point you can use in a socket for electricity. So a simple communication channel on both in are usable for the communication. And and the advantage of the bus topology is that it is the easy to set up, and failure one node does not affect the another network available nodes on the in the network. But it has some disadvantage, and this is the disadvantage is signal on bus must be strong enough to reach the receiver. Firstly, those signals those you want to send your neighbor nodes, so strong signal necessary. If your signal is weak, then your communication is failure. Second is the ring topology. Ring in the sense just like a ring those are wear in our hand, just like a channel comes in a circle, and all nodes are attached in a round A B C D. We can make a complete combination in ring topology, and all nodes are connected in a closed loop. That means the in a bus topology, this is a state single wire goes to the and all nodes are come together. But in a ring topology, this is a closed circuit. That's just like your wheel. This is the closed circuit. No starting and end point in this circle. So like this, each device is connected to the two or either sides, and data travel only one direction. This only. It is not bidirectional. It is single directional. One direction clockwise, and each computer presses data to the next one. Okay. The most advantage of this ring topology is the more reliable network, but disadvantage of ring topology is that ring network require more complicated control software. This is the more essential and crucial part of the network, and failure of one node result is the failure of the entire network. Subse main important thing is that if one is stopped, then the transmission signal will be stopped there in your uh, failure system means no transmit to the next signal. Suppose A, B, C, D, E are the in a circle, and C want to send a message to A, but E is failure, then your signal can't be go to the A. So this is the very big disadvantage of this ring topology. And the most powerful and famous topology is the star topology. Okay, so star topology comes in a star or hub with the help of hub, and all systems are independent and also connected to each other. But the in this network, system are connected to the central hub known as a switch, and which forward data towards the destination. According to the destination, you can send your data A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we can many more systems we can attach in this network. And if central hub, the advantage of the this system, it is the cost effective. This is the first advantage of the star topology. And second is the if any of the local computer fail, the network is unaffected. Suppose A is the failure, then B, C, D, E, F, and many more those systems are working in a proper way. But disadvantage of this star topology is that the system closely depend on the central switch. This is the most important thing. If central switch is failure, then all system immediate halt or fail to the forever. So entire network goes down if central hub is a failure. So it is the most popular network topologies, but one also come in existence. This is the tree topology, and this topology combination of the star and bus topology. That means the one star connected to the wire, and next one star is connected to the. So like this, the just like a tree, the one branch have many more branches, and every branch has a number of branches. So just like a combination of number of star topology network with the help of bus topology, so known as a star topology. So this is the your network topology, and I'm also give some figure about this on our WhatsApp. So please regarding this topology you can send, and I'm also give question answers, so you can fill up and write on your answer sheet. Thank you.